Vocab Loco just made word list management faster, smarter, and way more flexible. Now you can generate word lists with AI using the new By List Ranges mode. Define a different theme and word types for each week of your unit, all in one go. Managing your lists is easier too. Import multiple lists at once with bulk CSV upload. Export all your lists with one click. And copy every word to your clipboard instantly. Need to keep your content clean? Use Find Duplicate Words to spot repeated words across all your lists and navigate directly to them. You also have more control over scoring. Set capitalization rules word by word. Uppercase, lowercase, or both, across spelling test, writing sentence, writing prompt, and word of the day. And now, right from the Activities Overview pop-up, you can enable or disable any activity and set which days of the week it appears without leaving the word list page. Everything you need? Right where you need it.